Hi guys, this is Denver and this is a quick tutorial on how to install character and animal mods. Alright, so the first thing we want to do when we're messing with any mods is back up our save file. So click the Windows Start button, type in %appdata%, and you can hit enter. You can click on the file. It will open up the roaming folder, find Stardew Valley, find your saves, and you want to back these up. Make sure it's the correct saves. Just right click, copy, and you can paste. You can paste them anywhere, really. It doesn't matter. Documents, I keep mine on my desktop in a Stardew Valley folder with all my backups for all the other files. There's going to be some other backups that we do just during this video. So I suggest you do that real quick. Once you have that backed up, you can go ahead and close that window. We won't need that again. Make sure that you back up this as well. Whoops, don't go into that. Just click Backup Game Files by right-clicking Stardew Valley. Find Stardew Valley. You can see here that mine is already checked. Make sure yours is checked. Go through here. I keep the default destination here. Go through the options. I'm just going to cancel out since I already have that done. All right, now we have to decide what mod we want to install first. Let's say I want an animal mod. So I'm going to go to the Stardew Valley Nexus. There it is. It's popping up on my screen since I use it all the time. We're going to go to Stardew Valley Nexus at nexusmods.com. We're going to go to search up here, or you can browse. There's other options, but we're going to go to search because we want to, we got a cow, a bear, and a horse. We're going to do a cow real quick, and then I'll show you guys the bear because I know you're dying for that, and then we'll cover some quick horses. It's not going to take long. It's actually really easy to do, guys. We can get cuter, fatter baby cows. We can get fluffy cows. We can get Jersey cows and so on and so forth. We're going to go ahead and take the fluffy cows for now. All right, so now we're at the actual page here. This is the link that I use when I leave descriptions, but we can go to download manual here, or we can just go into the files and just click it. Either way, watch, it'll take you to the same place anyway. So we'll click fluffy cows. There's a little pop-up. I don't even know. I mean, I don't think I've ever read this thing. I just close it. And you can see here that it is downloaded. So we're just going to click show in folder. It's going to take us to our downloads folder. And here we are. You can see that it's a zipped file. We need to extract the contents of this folder. Windows 10 has a built-in extract all function. If you have 7-zip, this works too. You might need 7-zip for the bear file. So just a heads up, if you don't have something to extract files, it'll work here, but it probably won't work for the bear because it's a .rar file. All right, let's go ahead and extract it. And I'm just going to extract it to downloads. You can extract it wherever you want to. It actually opens the file up, but I'm just going to show you guys. This is it right here. So it extracted it into Fluffy Cows 922. And there we have Fuzzy Cow. And on the inside of Fuzzy Cow, we have the baby white cow XMB and a white cow XMB. All right, so what do we do with these? We're just going to drag them and drop them. Where do we do that? Go to back to Steam, and this is how I always get to my Stardew Valley folder. If you want to get to it another way, that's fine too. I right click, I go to properties, I go to local files, I go to browse local files, and now I'm there. And you can see that I have Smappy involved. This is the Stardew modding API, and I have a bunch of other files in there. If you don't have Smappy involved and you want it so that you can use mods, definitely check out my other video. I'll leave it in the description below. So let's open up our downloads folder again. And we have baby white cow and we have white cow. So I'm going to go into content. This is where mostly everything is. I actually backed up this entire folder. So I copied this and I pasted the entire folder. You can as well. It's up to you. Or you can go into each or just whatever file you're going to be messing with. In this case, we're going to be messing with animals and characters. You can just copy those too. So you just go to copy. I go into my Stardew Valley desktop folder and I click paste. For now, I'm not too worried about it because I have it all backed up somewhere. So let's go into animals, and we can see here that they're all named appropriately, and we can see baby white cow is right there. And we also have white cow all the way down here at the bottom of the list. It's this easy. Ready? Click and drag and click replace. And that's it. Now when we go in, we'll have the baby white cow. Now let's get the white cows, the fluffy white cows. Good. It's going to go by the same name. That way it just replaces the file. When the game's reading these files, it knows what to pick up. So that's it. Now when I go into the game, I can click play, and I'm going to see my cows look a little different. And that's it. I can even delete these right now if I wanted to. It's not going to hurt anything. So let's figure out how to get the bear real quick, since you guys are really, really, really wanting the bear. And I got asked so many times. By the way, welcome if you're coming from the 31 horse mods video. We're going to get to a horse mod in just a second. So this is Ride Bear, and I just click download. And there it is, bear horse. And we're going to have to change the name. And you guys can see here, sometimes it gives you some information on how to do it. Really, it's step-by-step instructions that they give you. You can see that the file is different down here. It's a .rar file. And let me open up my animals file. And it's going to replace the horse. But the problem is, I don't have the extract to all button anymore. I have to use 7-zip. So if you don't have 7-zip or something similar, go ahead and get it now. 7-zip is nice to have regardless. Let's go ahead and extract here. And there it is. It's called bearhorse.xmb. And if I go into animals and I find horse, you can see that it's called horse.xmb and there is no bear horse. That's because there's no such file. So the instructions tell you, just get rid of bear, just rename it to horse. And that's it. I don't know why they didn't do that in the first place, but you just click, you drag, you replace, and now when I go in, I'll be riding a bear. And that's it. That's all I do. And I did that over and over and over again for the 31 mods video. So it's just the same thing over and over and over. I can go in here and I can type in horse, and there it is. Yep. Yes, that one. Go. And there's the American paint horse that was in the video, the flame horses, the iridium ore horse, the deer. I mean, it's got everything in here. And I think I found every horse. There's the Abigail centaur horse and Leah. Let's go ahead and check out the flame horses because it's pretty unique considering there's 5 different horses. We have all of the instructions down here, but I'll cover that for you guys real quick. I see 5 different files here and I can download each of them, or I can just pick one. It's up to me. I might get a little pop-up warning me like, are you sure you want to download multiple files? And let's see. Okay, it's good so far. So I'm just going to pick up all 5 of them just because I want to try all 5 of them out. And now I have all 5 of them. They're just sitting down here at the bottom of the screen. I can close it down here, but no need to yet. We'll click show in folder. It'll take us back to the downloads folder. Open up the animals folder, and now, as you can see, these are zipped files. We'll just unzip them real quick. We got the Nitro horse, and it shows you the pictures of them. Hold control and scroll up. If you guys don't know that trick, it'll save you so much time. Yep, looks like the one I want. So I'm going to take this horse, and I'm just going to replace the file in the destination, and that is it. Now when I go in, I'll have this in my stable. And it's that easy, guys. It's that simple. There's nothing else to it. Character files real quick. I'll show you since it's the same exact thing. Actually, we'll do character set. We got, Undertale. Yeah, I was thinking about doing a video on Undertale. So let's see. We got Sam and what was it? And the great haircut. All right, so let's go ahead and download this. Sam and the great haircut. All right. We'll open it. We'll show in the folder. We got it in the downloads folder. Again, unzip it, and you can see how quick you can get at this too. All right, I'm going to open up my animals folder because I need this folder, but I just need to go back, and that's it. You guys can assume where it's going to go into the characters folder, and then I see Sam all the way down here. There's Sam, so I assume that's going to get replaced. So let's check Sam character. All right, so I'm going to drag and drop this and replace it. Cool. And now I got Sam portrait. All right, so characters and portraits are a little bit different. So here's the portraits. So Sam, the character, will change. That's like text and things like that, but his actual in-game sprites, I believe. But now his portrait, just to make sure that it's matching. So we'll go ahead and click and drag it. And there we go. And that's it, guys. That is how you do it. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them below. I'll help out. Other people who might even be better than me can hopefully help you out. There's a very friendly and helpful community. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the rest of my videos. And if you have anything you'd like to share with me, definitely do so. And I will see you guys in the next video.